What happens if a judge denies your divorce settlement? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you and your spouse have reached a divorce settlement, you may assume that once it's submitted, the court will approve it without issue. However, judges can and do reject divorce agreements if they don't meet legal requirements. Today, we'll go over what happens if a judge denies your divorce settlement and what you can do to fix it. A judge may deny a divorce settlement for several reasons. The most common issues include missing or incomplete paperwork, unfair division of assets, incorrect child support calculations, or agreements that don't meet California's legal guidelines. The court's primary concern is ensuring the settlement is fair and in the best interest of both spouses and any children involved. If your settlement is denied, the court will typically provide a reason for the rejection and instructions on how to fix the issue. This may require filing corrected forms, adjusting financial calculations, or clarifying unclear terms in your agreement. The good news is that most rejected agreements can be fixed and resubmitted without needing a full court hearing. We've worked with clients who thought their divorce was ready to be finalized, only to have their settlement rejected due to simple mistakes. In one case, a couple incorrectly calculated child support and forgot to include a required financial disclosure. After reviewing and correcting their paperwork, we helped them resubmit everything properly, and their divorce was finalized within weeks. At Divorce 661, we specialize in correcting rejected divorce settlements to ensure court approval. We review your paperwork, identify issues, and make the necessary revisions so you don't have to deal with delays or multiple rejections. Recently, we helped a client whose settlement was denied because their spousal support agreement was deemed unfair. By adjusting the agreement to meet California's legal guidelines, we got their settlement approved without additional court hearings, saving them time and frustration. If your divorce settlement has been denied by a judge, we can help you fix the issues and get it approved. Visit divorce661.com today for a free consultation, and let's ensure your divorce is finalized without further delays.